welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Sunday morning cleaning routine, and hopefully this can jumpstart your Sunday cleaning and get you motivated. After I brush my teeth, I open the blinds to let some sunshine in. Then I proceed to make my bed. Making my bed just sets the tone for a productive morning for me. And not only that, it is a great warm-up for cleaning. I'm going to put back my Bible and devotional Bible by the bed. I like to read my devotional Bible before bed at night. That way I can have that quiet time with God. Then I'm going to pick up all the electronics and cords that's on the floor. Moving on to the living room, we put up our Christmas tree last night and we watched movies, and the kids stayed up and chilled in here. It's not too bad in here, but still needs to be tidy. So I'm going to start off by picking up the kids' things off the couch and then folding the throw blankets. Then I will fix the couch pillows. I was struggling with this throw. I couldn't remember how I had it, but girl, I eventually figured it out. I want to take the time to introduce myself to those of you who are new to my channel. Hey girl, hey, my name is Tanya. I'm a wife, a mom of 4, and stepmom to 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivation, lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. If you like that type of content, please don't hesitate to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube fam bam. To all of my returning subscribers and my new ones, thank you so much for being here once again. I love you and appreciate you all. Moving on to vacuuming the floor, there was glitter from the ribbons and ornaments all over the place. Then I'm going to put away the Christmas decor bin. So I'm going to start folding the little laundry that I did have. And you guys, I am super duper proud of myself because it has been a long time that laundry has not been backed up. I have really been trying to stay on top of this, and I am just so proud of myself. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube fam bam. Make sure those post notification bells are turned on so you won't miss out a video from me. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.